Vieste in the heart of Gargano, where the sea caresses the white cliffs and the wind carries stories of sailors. Vieste is a place where time seems to stand still, but beauty continues to surprise at every corner. Its historic center, with narrow alleys and welcoming squares, is a constant discovery. The white houses stand out against the blue sky, while the scent of the sea blends with that of flowers adorning the balconies. The Vieste Lighthouse, the town's symbol, watches over this stretch of coastline, lighting the way for those arriving from the sea. Its light has guided ships to safety for centuries, becoming a landmark and a beacon of hope. The Vieste Castle, a testament to distant eras, tells the story of a town that has seen many peoples come and go, but has kept its essence intact. The Pizzomunno Beach, with its white rock rising from the sea, is one of the most iconic scenes, a symbol of beauty that defies time and tells legends of eternal love. Vieste is also wild nature, with the Gargano National Park embracing the town, offering breathtaking landscapes, paths immersed in greenery, and wildlife that speaks of this corner of the world. Every sunset, every corner, every breath in Vieste makes you feel part of a story that has been unfolding for centuries. Vieste is a town that stays in your heart, a lighthouse that guides you to the beauty, tranquility, and authenticity of Gargano.